Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vivi. I am a full-time Poshmark seller, a lifestyle blogger, and a social worker. So if you're new, today I'm just gonna do a clothing haul that I pulled out of my closet. I'm trying to go into the minimalist route. I have no idea. One body can have, like, I think it's about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So 14 coats I'm gonna go through today, and all these coats came out of my closet. Some of them I've never worn, and some I just wore once for my blog pictures. And yes, so I don't know how I can accumulate so many coats. My advice to you guys, if you don't want to do what I did moving into the minimalist route, you might want to audit your closet before you go out to shopping. So I think a lot of my stuff is in, like, the other rooms, like in my guest room, in the other spare room. Sometimes I really don't see these items, so I assume I don't have them, and then I'll go out buying more. So that's how I guess everything accumulated. But I no longer wear them. It's been in my closet for a year now, so I thought I should list it to give it a new home. So I'm just gonna go through them pretty quickly. My son's asleep right now. So first, I have this beautiful faux fur vest, sort of like an ombre color. Is like a light gray at the bottom, beige and light brown. So I really like this vest, but I didn't get a lot of use out of it. I think I wore it once for pictures, so I thought I should, pull it out of my closet and list it. It's also still new with tag, but I will put on there that it was worn once, so the buyer can be aware it's a size small, and the brand is H&M. So next we have this beautiful shepherd. It's sort of like a crop style, but it goes all the way down to your waist area. So this coat is new without tags. I don't think I've worn this coat before. I think I took the tag out and that was about it. But yeah, I'm gonna list this. It's a size 4. It's in great, excellent condition. So next I have the same shepherd coat, and this one is new with tags. It's a size 4 as well, and is in excellent condition. I am going to list all these items. I have money sitting in my closet and I had no idea. I wasn't even wearing these items, but I'm gonna list them. Check out my closet. Next we have the same shepherd jacket, but this one is pretty long. It's like a midi length, and this is a size small. It's new with tag. Also, this I've never worn, so it's in excellent condition. Next is this Who What Wear tan coat from Target. I've worn this once for pictures. It has a little makeup stain on there. I can take that off. It has a belt, a matching belt, and apart from this makeup stain, this is in excellent condition. And yeah, so I'm gonna list this size small. Next is this beautiful long faux fur jacket, and it's new with tags. I've worn it once for pictures. I really didn't like how it looked on me. I wanted something like this for a long time. I bought this. I wore it once and I'm like, it's too hot. I don't like how bulky it looked on me. It's a size small though, but I'm glad to be giving it a new home, so I'm gonna list this. It's in excellent condition, and it still has its tags. It also has pockets and a double button in the front. So yeah. Next is this shepherd jacket. This one is sort of like a taupe color, more fuzzier than the other ones, and this is new with tag, also size small. It's in excellent condition. This I've never worn. It has pockets in the front, and I will be listing it. I swear, when I pull these things out of my closet, I was like, what was I thinking? Like, how did I accumulate so many coats and I don't even get to wear them like that? But yeah, so I guess that's the stay-at-home mom problem. Just shop, shop, shop. Oh, my problem. But anyway, I have this one. I got a lot of wear out of this. It's Forever 21, size small. I already took it to the dry cleaners and is ready to be worn. I think it still have a lot of life left. I really like the camel color. so I am going to list it. It has a little bit of flaw here. I don't know where that came from. I don't know if it's from the dry cleaners, but I'm gonna put that in the description and let the buyer know the condition. So yeah, I'll be listing this as well. Next, I have this beautiful taupe color coat as well with the faux fur neckline, and this is a size 4. I worn this once in my office while I was working, and that was about it. I've never worn it outside of the house, so I'm going to be listing this as well. I'm sure somebody's looking for this. Next, I have color coat. Is still new with tags. I've worn it once for my blog pictures, and I'm just not getting a lot of use out of it because it's been sitting in my closet. It has pockets, so I'm gonna list it. And yeah, next is this Forever 21 faux fur jacket. I think it's sort of like a brown color. It is in excellent condition. It's a size medium. I wore this once, and that was about it for blog pictures. It also has pockets. It's in excellent condition. I think I said that earlier, but I'm gonna be listing this, so keep an eye on my closet. Fancy and Chic on Poshmark. Next, we have this beautiful, I think it's like a burnt orange, but it looks like a burnt orange, kind of brown color. Is in excellent condition. It has that dolman style sleeve. I found a picture. I'm going to be uploading that picture once I list this, and I'll probably put it on my Instagram as well, my Fancy and Chic Closet Instagram page. So yeah, so it has this double button. I really love the color, but what it's for, H&M. But when I try it on, I really didn't like the way it looks, so I will be listing this to give it a new home. This beautiful faux fur bomber jacket from Forever 21 is a size medium. This I have for a while. I wore it a couple of times. I really like it, but I'm not into the style anymore. It's leopard print. I don't know if I'm into the bomber jacket style, so I thought I should pull it out since I'm not getting a lot of wear out of it, and it's in excellent condition. Lastly, we have this beautiful sort of midi linen leopard coat. It's in excellent condition. I don't think I've worn it. It's a size small, Forever 21. The only thing I don't like about this coat is that it don't have no pockets. So I am a sucker for anything that has pockets. I will buy it. And this wasn't my cup of tea. I loved animal print, but this one, I don't know. I think I like it better in like a purse or shoes or a top. But I don't know if I want to be covered up in a coat looking like a leopard. I don't know. That's just my that's just me. But yeah, so I'll be listing this, and that's the last item I have for all these coats. These are just half of my coats, guys. So this is all I have for today. These are the items that I pulled out of my closet. I'm going to check again to audit my closet to see if I can list more items. But before this video is uploaded, these will already probably be listed. So check it out if you want. Fancy and Chic on all platforms. I also have an Instagram page for my Poshmark closet. It's Fancy and Chic Closet. You're welcome to follow. You're welcome to reach out to me if you have any questions, or you can put your questions down below. I'll be willing to answer if I can answer it. So thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys later on my next video. Bye bye. Hey guys, so I'm wearing all black today with my old little booties, but I just want to show you guys how these fit. And if you like something you see, welcome to check out my Poshmark closet. It's Fancy and Chic on Poshmark, and I will also be showing them in my Instagram story and on my Instagram feed. So let's get started. I'm just gonna try them on. guys, so that's it for all the coats. I hope you liked the fitting, and I will talk to you guys on my next video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys later.